Things are really improving. I've got this hooked up to a shunt here so that basically this is showing exactly the amps, so 0.0 amps is what it is right now. And alright, so I turned it on already, so let's turn it in the positive direction. Watch the control, just barely turn it. I'll turn it down a little bit less so it goes really slow. Look at that. Oops, too slow. There we go. That's about as slow as I can make it go. Not much power being used. So ID and IQ. ID equals IQ. This is at 72 volts here. Alright, so now let's turn up the torque a little bit. That'll speed it up. I got field weakening. Once it gets going too fast, it starts to throttle back the field strength. 0.3 amps, 0.9, 1.2, 3, 4, 5. About 1.7 amps. It's moving pretty good. Now I'll move it into negative territory and watch the regen happen. Negative. Now it's spinning the other direction. Now let's move it into positive territory, which regens the other way. Oops. Looks like it lost its sync for a second. I just have it at 0 throttle right now. I'm just curious. Let's see. Let's give it positive throttle. There it goes. Negative direction for regen. Okay. Okay, here's what happens when you, if the, what do you call it? Okay, let's test what happens when you lose your encoder signal. First, let's rev up the motor. There we go. See? It just creates a fault and then it just gets into free spinning mode. Gives you a chance to slow down and, I don't know, get to safety. See? It's just all loosey-goosey. And the fault bits from unplugging that, there's bit 13 that was set, and down here you look at that, bit 13 is encoder cable unplugged fault.